So the Coldeez Cooling Ace is being advertised everywhere as this super compact, portable air cooler that's supposed to replace your traditional air conditioner. The ads promise you ice-cold air instantly, a super quiet design, and way lower energy bills compared to normal AC units. Sounds pretty amazing if it's real, right? But as always with products that sound too good to be true, we've got to look closer and see if this thing actually delivers. The first red flag that jumped out at me is the fact that this device is being sold under a bunch of different names. You'll see it listed as Lubby Cooling Ace, Fanny Cooling Ace, Sherm Cooling Ace, and of course Coldeez Cooling Ace. Now, ask yourself this: why would the exact same product need to exist under so many different brand names? It usually means they're trying to confuse buyers, bury bad reviews, and basically rebrand the same cheap gadget over and over so they can keep selling it. That's not a good sign. Now let's talk about the actual claims. The marketing says this device can cool a whole room and give you ice-cold air in just seconds. But here's the truth. Compact portable coolers like this simply can't do that. At best, they might lower the temperature a little bit in the small space around them, but they are nowhere near as powerful as a real air conditioner. The idea that you're going to plug this in and suddenly your room feels like a freezer is just not realistic. They also claim it's more energy efficient than a regular fan and can save up to 40% more energy than similar products. But again, that's not how physics works. Portable coolers do use less power than an air conditioner, sure, but they also don't deliver anywhere close to the same level of cooling. You can't get more output than the energy you put in. It just doesn't add up. So when you see huge numbers like 40% savings, it's just marketing fluff. And here's another major issue. A lot of these websites that are selling the Coldeez Cooling Ace and other similar portable coolers have been flagged as scams in the past. They use the same tricks: fake reviews, stolen product images, countdown timers that say limited time offer, and massive discounts that seem too good to pass up. Then, once people buy, many of these websites disappear completely. That leaves customers with no way to get a refund, no customer support, nothing. Even if you do end up receiving a unit, there's no guarantee it will look or perform like the one in the ad. Plenty of buyers report getting products that are cheaply made, underpowered, or even completely non-functional. So while the ads make it sound like you're getting this miracle device, the reality is usually a low-quality gadget that doesn't live up to a single one of its promises. So based on everything, the rebranded names, the over-the-top claims, the scammy marketing tactics, and the history of similar products, I'd say the Coldeez Cooling Ace is either a scam outright or at best a very cheap product that doesn't do what it says. If you really want a cooling device, stick to reputable sites like Amazon or eBay, where you can actually see verified customer reviews, and definitely avoid those flashy social media ads with huge discounts. 9 times out of 10, they're traps designed to get your money with nothing real in return. Bottom line, save your cash, don't fall for the hype, and be smart about where you shop. If this breakdown helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more.